Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how I created this smoky, saucy goodness on my eyes that I'm wearing right now. Now, I cannot take full credit for this look at all. I believe the originator of this look was Miss Kim K herself. Beautiful, right? Then I watched a tutorial from Sandra Deluxe showing exactly how to create said look, and it was just gorgeous, and I thought I must try that. So I am not the originator of this look whatsoever. It is a total recreation of two other people. I will link Sandra Deluxe's video down below so you guys can watch that also and get just as inspired as I was. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel before we dive on into the tutorial, because you are going to want to be here for the rest of the fun. Give this video a like if you were enjoying it thus far, or you're looking forward to learning how to create this look right here. Comment down below something. I was gonna say something about, like, if you like this look, do you like smoky looks? I don't know. Engagement, it's just, you know, that's what I'm getting at, okay? Let's engage with one another. So with all that nonsense being said, let's dive into the tutorial. Okay friends, this is a quick one, so we are going to get started. So first things first, make sure your pencil is sharp and don't dump it on the table like I did. Yeah, that was a fun mess to clean up. So anyway, so I am taking a black kohl liner. This is the Lottie London one. You guys know I love this one oh so much. And I'm using it to fill in my lower waterline, obviously. And then I am taking what kind of spilled over onto my lash line with this MAC brush. It's one of their shader brushes. I forget the exact name. But anyway, I am dragging it up and kind of creating a wing, just like you would with any other eyeliner, only this is like a kohl formula, so it's a lot easier to smudge around. And then I'm taking that same color on the same brush, obviously you guys see what I'm doing, and dragging it across my lid to create a very like smoky type liner effect. Then I'm taking this shade from the Naked 2 palette. Guys, I don't know the names right off the top of my head. I'm sorry. And I'm using that exact same brush to pat this on top of the liner to really smoke things out. This look really isn't hard. It's just a lot of layering smoky type shadows on top of a smoked out liner. So I applied this all over, taking this, I think that's the Buck shade from the Naked, like the original Naked palette, and I'm fluffing that all over the lid. I take it into the like crease area a little bit to kind of keep everything, you know, like looking nice as far as transitions go. But that's it. Like guys, literally, that is it. This look is so easy. You obviously can build up the smokiness to what you prefer. Sometimes I think if I have too smoky of an eye, I look a little crazy. Speaking of looking crazy, hi! I put some in my upper waterline, curled my lashes, put on mascara, and then put on some falsies. And that's it. Guys, literally, that is it. This look is so easy, and it's so easy to tailor to what you prefer. So I hope that you guys like this one, and I think I'm going to see you in the outro. So, wasn't that fun? I was going to say easy, but I literally say easy in every single tutorial that I do, so fun it was, right? I don't know what's wrong with me. So I hope that you guys found this tutorial informative. I mean, granted though, like, how easy was that though? Like, I think we used, what, like 3 or 4 shades? Something that I may not have shown on camera is I did take some of this black shade here in the Naked 2 palette, the blackout shade, and I did kind of clean up the lash line and set the black liner itself because I'm an oily hoe. And all this cream liner was going to run down my face if I didn't do that, so I don't know if I showed that. I did put a tiny smidgen of brow highlight. I don't think I showed that at all. That's this guy, the Virgin shade from the original Naked palette. Because originally I wasn't going to put that in there because I don't think Kim K or Sandra Deluxe did, but I think I just look weird without a brow highlight and like an inner corner highlight. Like, I just feel off balance. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will remind you once again. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it, and comment down below something. Still haven't figured out what I want you to do what I want you to say, but just something. Make my day. Thanks so much again, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.